Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to mute someone on Instagram. Now, if you don't want notifications, stories, or posts from this person or account, muting someone is one of the best ways to do it. Now, how do you mute someone? Let's say you have an account. This is the account that I'll be muting for this example. Once you're here in the account, just click on the following button. It has a down symbol here. Just click on this, and here you'll get a bunch of options. Just directly click on mute, and this is where you can select what part of their content you want to mute. If you want to mute them at everything, just select all the options, go back, and that is it. You have now successfully muted this person or account. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.